Hey, what's up, channeling holders? So today video is going very special for channeling holder, absolutely very informative. So let's get started this brand live price prediction of channeling. But before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brothers, to please subscribe this channel. If you are new on this channel, subscribe this channel, because this channel upload you a very latest price prediction of all cryptocurrencies. So absolutely good channel for you if you are a holder of any cryptocurrencies. So let's get started the live price prediction. But first of all, I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour reason. As you can see here, this is last 1 hour chart, and every cryptocurrencies goes down in those days, absolutely. But Chainlink has take a big jump. Therefore, I make this video especially for a holder of Chainlink to what we do in those situations. Okay, you can see here absolutely this time the last 1 hour as minus 1.98% goes down. So this is absolutely very bad, but this is the start of this month. Absolutely all cryptocurrencies goes down, and this is the morning time. So absolutely all cryptocurrencies market is absolutely very slow in this time. So all cryptocurrency as goes down. If you can see here, the latest price is absolutely 35.0202 US dollar is the latest price, and they jump 32.32 US to 35 US. I think they jump at 3 US dollar. So absolutely this is mind blowing jump. This is absolutely mind blowing jump for all holder of Chainlink. So guys, if you can see here, the latest price is 34 in the last 24 hours. So absolutely they're crushing. You can see here 6.34% they up gone up absolutely like a rocket. You can see the chart result. If in those days they gone like a rocket, then I hope in the mid of this month they give you a 40 to 45 US dollar. What you say, what your expectation, please share in a comment box. Absolutely this is important for me, for our holder of Chainlink. So my Chainlink brother, if you can see here, let's check out the last seven days chart, and then we decide to sell by what we do. Okay, so guys, if you can see here, absolutely 22.86% going up, and just last 7 days. So absolutely this is the total result as and this month. So my brother, the price is 34.72 US dollar. This is not a small price. Absolutely they make you a millionaire. They can give you a good price at the end of this month. Please don't sell it. Some brothers tell me to we are going to sell it. This is absolutely big mistake if you are selling in those days. Wait for the end of this month. What you say, can this time is a selling time? I think this is buying time. If you have any plans, then buy it and wait for the end of this month and sell it. Absolutely make you a millionaire. Absolutely give you a good price. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please click out the like button and click out the subscribe button. If you have and more need this type informative videos, press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time.